Congratulations on completing Lesson 1. With your improved knowledge of credit scores, it's now time to put your learnings into practice and take action towards building your credit. Step-by-step guide to check your personal credit score. Online credit reporting services. You can check your credit score for free through various online credit reporting services, such as Credit Karma and Credit Sesame. Credit card companies, banks, and financial institutions. Some credit card companies, banks, and financial institutions offer free credit score access to their customers. It is recommended to check with your bank or credit card provider to see if they offer this service. Purchase credit score from credit reporting bureaus. You can purchase your credit score from the 3 major credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Annualcreditreport.com. You can request a free credit report annually from each of the 3 credit bureaus through annualcreditreport.com. This report will not include your credit score, but it will show your credit history and other important information about your credit report. Important note: keep in mind that the credit score you receive from these sources may not be the same score that a lender or creditor uses, as there are many different types of credit scores. Now that you know the steps in checking your credit scores, it's time for a knowledge check to refresh your memory after completing Lesson 1. If you like this video, be sure to check out the rest of our course on building business credit at mybusinesscredit.com.